Hi, what's up everybody, it's me for TP, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to pack my stuff for 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, 6 years. It doesn't matter because I always pack the same stuff. So check it out and time me, because I'm going to set some new records. I've got this big bag, 70 liters, and it all will begin on the bottom with this. This is for running. It's running bag with a camel bag because I'm going to continue on running trail competitions, which is like ultra marathon sort of. I usually take a couple pairs of socks. This time I just got loaded, so I'm taking 2, 4, 6, 7 for a whole week. It goes to the side pocket because I want to make sure I can easily access them, right? Leave first. Well, I'll take basically all the pants I got, which is 2 plus 1, which I'm wearing now. I'm going to take that one off. That goes actually into the same one. Another one I usually take, like medicine. 1 pair of winter socks, because it's gonna be cold in Kazakhstan. That's where I'm starting off. And also most likely I'm going to take some climbing experiences as well. So I do need to protect my toes from frozen bites. Right? Good. That part is all set. I got a few things here. Take this one. This is really crucial because this is the international vaccination card that will prove me that I have certain protections, whether I get to the hospital or just need a visa. I'll be able to check myself in. Certificate to get a job if I need it as an English teacher. Some presents here that can be slid to the back because of protecting the documents so they stay solid. In fact, I'm taking a few more, which is like the basic certification of my degrees. Don't need this one. This one, yeah. What was this actually? Yes. Oh, I get 2 actually. Cool. How the hell did I get that? Brilliant. These are certificates that I have gained over the time. Piece of shit. Gloves, really important. And yeah, this is impregnation for the tent and for jackets, for everything. I just take one just in case. I always have a couple of them. Alright, now the clothes part. It's a windstopper gloves. These are windstopper gloves. So underwear, normal pants. I have one pair of jeans, 1 pair of jumpers, some t-shirts I'll take, let's say this time, as many as I think that I would like to wear them, which is not that many. I'll take this one, 2, 3, and yeah, that's all about it. Just chuck all of them in. Oh yeah, 4. The North Face one. Just a big shout out for the people who hooked me up with the t-shirts. Appreciate that, they work really well. A buffle whenever I feel cold, which once again, since it's gonna be in Kazakhstan, I'm sure I will. Yeah, some running t-shirts. Actually, I don't need to take this one. I need that one, that one. Yeah, that's all about it. And see, yeah, underwear for the cold weather. No need, no need, no need, no need, no need. Need another t-shirt. You cannot really have enough of t-shirts, to be honest. No need for that. No need for the Indian clothing, definitely. And what's that? Yeah, it can all go back now. Definitely a need. Dishdasha, Jordanian, straight up from Jordan. Just to tease the locals and to blend in whenever I feel I need it. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not really the master of the laundry and the folding the shirts, but you do whatever you can. And one towel for the sake of it, and another one for traveling. Sounds posh, but hey. Stand up. Do I have any documents here? Need to take care. I'll take care of one of this for the running. The money. Pretty damn crucial. I'll talk about money issues in another episode on YouTube, so check it out. I'll repost them in on YouTube. Some camera tools for shooting videos. Some chargers. These are like basic tacky tack stuffs. Other back protector from the rain. What else I got here? I might be able to use body lotion, not this time. Harness, not this time. I was going to swim, but fuck that. I'm not going to do it this time. Pocket knife. Some other stuffs, electric stuffs. What else do I got here? I don't think is there anything left here. So yeah, I guess that's all about it. Oh yeah, really important, helps you to sleep, even in cold weather. I always take that one with myself. What is there anything? Stupid iPhone chargers. I'll take one just in case. Is there anything here? No. Nah. Sweet. Transformer. And really useful. That's all about it. And what else? Yeah, I think I'm all good. Yeah, okay, so I'll chuck these ones in. Not these ones. These ones can go in the bag because now it's not raining, so the weather is alright. I was going to leave them here. And yeah, a few more one. Now I'm going to do some white collar jobs, so try to pick a few shirts as white as they can be. That's gonna be 2 this time. More than enough, I reckon. And I do this like urban banker style because I'm also always wearing jeans or even jumpers. I feel like, as you can see, I'm not really a fan of ironing. Well, first of all, I don't really do that. Second of all, I don't really like that, especially when I'm traveling for so long. So I'll use some time, but I don't some other times. Yeah. Just follow me. That's already pretty much 70% of my gear. One pair of shoes for running, training, or whatever you need it for. No rocket science, just chuck it in. Like this, yeah. As you can see, I still got heaps space left. However, I'm almost done. Just stay over there. Toothbrush. Toothpaste, 2 different because I had some dental issues, sort of. And the fancy stuffs. Got it. It's fantastic. And yeah, just to load them. This one can fit. Sweet as. I'll just stay here. Oh, grab that one. Wow, got another t-shirt. How lucky am I? Another underpants and a hat. Again, really good one. Does the trick. Yeah, that can go in. Some razors to keep my face tidy. Some money left from where? This is the pocket. Foam, because like I said, I'm going to do some white collar lifestyle in the upcoming times. And yeah, my favorite hat from Kyrgyzstan. I love that country, I love its culture. What else? Yeah, and this is the one I carry basically on the plane, where I can store the expensive stuffs, such as the computer, the camera, the phone, and all that stuff. Get the cable in it. Again, that's crucial. Running shorts, still important. Calendar. Another book, because reading is part of me lately. Touching wood. Headlamp. Thing I cannot live without. Passport. It's getting full already, and I'm happy about that. What else? Yeah, I'm already preparing for the journey coming after Kazakhstan, so visa application forms printed. Some presents for couchsurfer host, so I can live for free. But then, yeah, music, external storage to store the pics I'm taking while I'm traveling. Watch, but that can go on my head. Yep, wallet can go as well. Another charger cable, another charging cable, my business card. That's the place for the branding. But you already know this because you're watching my video over POLGAR Facebook page, and that's just a lead onto my website. And nope. Yes, so power bank. And I think I'm going to take, I'm taking my climbing shoes as well, because I love to climb. Whether it's outdoor, indoor, doesn't really matter. It's a really good deal. It is to me. And here comes the tricky part, my sleeping bag. Because I need to sleep somehow, right? Well, I left the bag in Kyrgyzstan. I was silly. But I'll make sure it will fit. No sleeping bag, no honey, I would say. I just say no money, no honey, but screw that, I'm taking it to the next level. Well, next level for me. Sounds dodgy, it looks sketchy, but as you can see, impossible is nothing, yo! Anyways, that's the one. Guys, this is 8 kgs. This is no more than 2. I'll stay under 10 kgs 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, or 6 years. Doesn't really matter, because I always find a way. And worst case scenario, I need to buy a tent, which is another $100 expense, with a weight of 1.5 kgs. Easy peasy. So stay tuned, because with this backpack, I'll explore the whole country of Kazakhstan, Central Asia, most likely South America as well.